Hi guys, Mr. Holding here, and this quick video is about writing formula for covalent compounds, and we're going to use the example of carbon dioxide to do this. So the first step is to determine the valence of the elements involved. Now we know what the term valence electrons are. Alright, we know that that means the number of electrons in the outer shell. So the valency refers to how many that particular element needs to lose or gain to be able to have a full outer shell. So carbon has 4 in its outer shell, right? So it needs to lose or gain 4. So its valency is 4. Oxygen has 6, so it needs to gain an additional 2. So the valency of oxygen is 2. So now we've done that, all right, we go on to the next step. So looking at this, the next step is to determine the ratios of atoms needed so that each atom can share the same number of electrons. So by looking at how many each needs, carbon wants to share 4 and oxygen needs 2. To even these up, we need 2 of these for every one of these. So the ratio is the ratio of carbon to oxygen would be 1:2. So we know that we need 2 oxygens for 1 to be able to have them sharing an equal number. Okay, and so the final step now that we know the ratios is to write the formula using the symbols of the elements and writing the ratios. So we know the ratios here. The only thing is though that when it's a 1, we don't actually need to write that. Okay, so we write carbon. Okay, superscript is 1, but we won't write that. And then oxygen with a subscript of 2. Okay, so that indicates that carbon and oxygen are in a compound. Okay, in the ratio of 1:2. Okay, so that's the easy way to write the covalent compounds. Hope you found this helpful.